In 1 minute on binary options, you can earn someone's monthly salary. If you know where the market will go. Of course, I can't see the future, but there are situations where everything is obvious. I will show you a strategy for beginners with the help of which you will be able to determine with high probability the future movement, accordingly earn on it. The market is cyclical and there are many repeated moments on any chart. So let me show you. So guys, we are going to start trading today with $5,542. Let me show you how much we can make. I see the first interesting trade, and this is exactly the situation I want to tell you about today. Look, this pattern is called a breakout and retest. It is very often repeated on the chart. And if you see this situation on the chart, you should definitely enter the trade. What do we have here? We have a support level or a resistance level. It is a horizontal level from which the chart pushes back many times. But the moment comes and the chart breaks through the level. But we enter the trade on the retest. That is, when the market returns to this level in order to continue its fall or growth. We see the same thing here. By the way, we have a horizontal level in 15 seconds. Here we have a horizontal level. The market breaks this horizontal level and returns to it. We open the trade and the market continues its downward movement. In 3, 2, 1 second, we are already earning $368. It could very well be someone's salary for the whole month. Don't be surprised, even such of low wages exist in the world. Right now, we have a similar situation. We enter the trade also on the trend. So it must now close in the plus, and again we draw a horizontal level. In order to determine the horizontal level, we need only 2 reactions of the chart. These 2 reactions we see right now. Here we have the first reaction of the chart from the level. Here is the second reaction of the chart, also small. Now we break this resistance level, we return to the retest, and here we open a trade because the chart should continue its upward movement. Very hopefully it will be. So here we see the same thing in this picture. Pay attention, here we have a breakdown, retest, and the market continues its upward movement. We have another trade that should close in 10 seconds. That's how in 1 more minute we made $368 again. For those who still don't understand anything about it but want to earn a lot, I have a small alternative for you. There are signals of my robot which sends trades for 5 and 15 minutes. By the way, these are the signals we have today. Yes, there is a small disadvantage, but in general, there are a lot of pluses. This robot has a 72% win rate, and you can test these signals for free today. Just follow the link from my Telegram channel. Nothing complicated to do here. You just go to the robot, write the instruction, start signal, comment, click to receive signals, and within 2 hours, the robot will send you signals. Do not forget to turn on notifications. Okay, guys, look, this is, of course, a rather dubious situation here. We can try to get into it. We have a very long level. It is very similar to what we traded with you. It's just that we need a much longer time frame. Let's say a 3-minute time frame. Yeah, it looks about the same as we have already traded a minute time frame. And here we have the same thing. We have a horizontal level. We are now back to this horizontal level and we open a trade for the continuation of the trend. We had a downward before. We broke through the level, came back, and now we should continue to fall. So let's see. Man, great deal. It's great. I'm happy. So let's move on. So look, here we have a potential retest. I'm waiting for the candlestick to close. A new candlestick starts. I open a down trade. There's absolutely nothing complicated here. Here we take a horizontal line and put it on the place where we have already had reactions. That is, the chart has turned once. There were a lot of touches. This is a confirmed horizontal level. So we have broken it. Now we are back to it And I think that we will continue to fall, given that before we have already had a powerful fall. That is, we are now essentially entering the trend. Yeah, guys, that was a risky deal. How much do we have? Literally a couple of points, probably will 12 points. But nevertheless, the deal closes very close. We've already had 4 profitable trades today, so let's probably do the last one. It is possible, of course, to take a little risk and go down right now because we are planning to develop a downward movement. We got a reaction. Don't forget that this reaction may not necessarily be clear from this level. The chart may go a little higher, as in this situation, or a little lower if we are trading up. So get ready to overlap the trade with the more trades. If this one, for example, turns out to be unprofitable because now the entry point is not the best, but I hope for a continuation of the downward movement. I like its structure very much, and that's why I open here 100%. Holy shit, friends. It turns out that we have a video that is too perfect. We have the 5th trade closing. This is the 5th plus the amount of $400. We have made a very good profit today. I think that it's about 1,700 of net profit that we earned in one trading session. While we were trading with you, the robot has already sent 2 signals, which each of you could simply copy. One signal has already turned out to be profitable, so we are waiting for the second one. So, in order to start earning in binary options right now, just follow the link from the description, repeat everything after me. I wish you good luck. Bye bye.